Famous radio, TV and film actor Mahmood Siddiqui was born in Sukkur in 1944. After completing his general education, he obtained a law degree and started practicing law in Sukkur. For some time, Mahmood Siddiqui was also the junior of poet Sheikh Ayaz. Along with his legal profession, he also served as an announcer on radio for some time. He also worked for the daily Halal Pakistan for a short time. Mahmood Siddiqui made his television debut in 1973 by working in the drama Badanki on Pakistan television and appeared as a renowned artist on Pakistan television. His early dramas included Zeenat, Gulwari Choka, Talash, Rani Ji Kahani, and many other Sindhi dramas. But he got national recognition from the Urdu drama Devarion by Bart Kadib and playwright Abdul Qadir Junejo. The drama serial Devarion was the Urdu version of the Sindhi drama Rani Ji Kahani. With the airing of Devarion, Mahmood Siddiqui's name became one of the famous actors of the country. After this, Mahmood Siddiqui played an unforgettable role in the play Jangal by the famous writer Nur Huda Shah, in which the role of a paralyzed businessman Rais Bahawal Khan took him to the sky of fame. After this, Mahmood Siddiqui played an important role in another timeless drama Karwan. He was also awarded the PTV Award for Best Actor in this play, written by the famous writer Abdul Qadir Junejo. Famous actor Mahmood Siddiqui, along with his best friend and legendary actor Syed Yar Muhammad Shah, also produced the colourful Sindhi film Ali Gohar, which was directed by Shahid Waheed. Yar Muhammad Shah played the lead role in the film Rangin Sindhi Ali Gohar, which was released on July 25, 1988, while Mahmood Siddiqui also played an important role in this film. Unfortunately, this film could not be successful as expected, due to which Mahmood Siddiqui had to suffer a lot of losses. However, he did not give up and produced the Urdu drama serial Nali Pe Dela under private production, and he spent all his savings on a TV show which was aired on prime time and did very good business. But the owners of this private channel cheated him, and all his investment was gone, due to which he faced a lot of difficulties, due to which he started to be very worried and in this troubled state. He breathed his last 26 years ago today, on August 4th, 2000. He was buried in the Dalmia graveyard in Karachi.